Welcome to the kitchen of Onitsha Retreat Center. This is in Anambra. This is Anambra State in Nigeria. This is Pastor Arul. What are you making, Pastor?
Fish fry.
Very good. Thank you. In the mornings, he had taken class and he had gone to the shopping center. He bought all the vegetables, the fish, chicken, everything, and he cooked food and is blessing us in Nigeria mission. Thanks be to God. And look at all these sisters who are here. What's your name? Gabriela. And you? And you? And we have a blessed sister. Thank you for your service. And we have brothers from Lagos. This is brother Roji from Nigeria.
Wow.
What are you doing, brother?
I am doing business here, and our boss is coming tomorrow.
Welcome.
We came for here business, but God grace, we get the opportunity to meet all these people, and we enjoy you very well.
He's a missionary. He came to our school of discipleship to help us in everything. We thank God for him.
Thank
We
you.
have another missionary,
Praise God.
And
brother Luis.
And
What do you do here in Nigeria?
We do waterproofing contracts.
Okay. What are you making?
Chapati.
Thank you. He's a blessed missionary. He's making chapati.
Wow.
They came all the way from Nigeria. Lagos. Lagos. They traveled
7 hours.
8 hours by road. And they reached today afternoon. And they are from Kerala, India, but they are working here in Nigeria. They are a blessing to the people of Nigeria and to the school of discipleship. And we thank God for these blessed missionaries. Thank you so much. We love you.
You are
And look at
blessed.
these sisters, what they are doing. Please show us. What is it?
Fish fry.
Fish fry. Who made it?
Again, I made it.
Pastor, please come. Please come. Pastor, I will make this. And these are the sisters. Sister is making chapati, and we thank God for everyone. Thank you, love you, thank you for your prayers. We bless you. God bless. Shalom.
Shalom.